That's right. We are live on set like Obibini. And you know what time it is? Like Sarkodie. And then we are going to make a hit like Richie. And it will be crazy like EL. My name happens to be the fresh boy Papa J, the entertainment ambassador. And then I say share on EnterChat. Yeah, baby din komo on say anytime be a mede obiba na ye din komo. Now what is going on in the person's life? Better ne me brave pa ansana me say ka sa abrante oyobi a oye Muslim obre no ho ase ankasa oye musician oye songwriter oye manager oye niama bebrebe ene ba twetwe nkomo kakra na o manage one of the biggest actors our country ha ono ene manages abrante no ye be di komo ni ahwe what is going on stories bebre na eba ebi so oni na je adwuma ye ebi se still ogusuwa ene no ye adwuma na ene ono ankasa wa ha ne de ye ni be di komo ni ahwe the real story koso a rehwe EnterChat yenko na ye ma abrante no akwaba uhuna ono ankasa ebebo ni din na waka no ho asem kakra e de ahwe o ye ma no akwaba
Mbam fresh Papa J
boko de onsa maka abrante the person wan kasa wo boldin e EnterChat viewers or mo hwe nti in a brief no u be kire Zack e kon fa so hia se kakra bi ansa na de me so me wo no me de ama
EnterChat EnterChat na ye kwesibro ni kasa na me bo na ba ye kasa mu so ye de
wada ne papa kuma so be ye me sabi wa o
esa
ono de no say enter ni ye wura and ha ne ye entertainment chat.
Oh, okay. But when say
any short
EnterChat enti wura
enkomodie num enti ne so wura nkomonum
me pacho me ya fasting but me wura nkomodie
so wura Zack akwaba bi nice one so bibia boko well Zack media minimum kakra se na de bia na me kanom me pese o kire wase kakra ema obi a o hwe no se ye ka se okoskunya ka se write something about Zack nipa no de no becho.
Okay, the name is Abdul Razack Amissah, part Muslim, part Fanti, but popularly known as Zack GH. And the stage name, you know, Zack, you'll be a woman wa Accra, Abontin, so a place called Shukura. A honey a woman many wa Accra. Now Shukura no baby says Shukura Accra wa here around Dansuma, a part of Dansuma estate, you know, by a chichichimuntino. Dansuma estate here, one of the biggest estates I think in West Africa.
Oh, in West Africa.
Yeah, in West Africa.
First time I met
Dansuma estate, yeah, very big, but a chichichimuntino mayor woman with Shukura. A one year woman na Metina Cape Coast and Sokakra, which is my mother's side. I am Fanti. You know, me the baby a mira, opposite and there you can't. Fancy casa yabaka, yaka house yabaka.
Okay.
Papa krum casa cry yabaka. Even French crop say you can't.
Tu parles français?
Oh, viens.
Hey, that. That's like very different.
What's that? Me casa me can. Jai.
French also viens. Na viens na count ya say.
Me tia say. Bra.
Oh, okay. Nice one. What Zack? Maybe the minimum say. Me who now act.
Yeah.
We say as for music is so about but before you share acting, how did it start?
Okay, make us acting. I see you free baby. You could be. What I say, and I mean I said I made in Kankai and I started your woman Accra. I want a mini, but my life and then music. Okay. Music. And you know, me started say me national theater. I got Tonyum. That is fun world. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
I got chance and they say when a perform along the line and so no your corner say ye nya akwenya no antonyo ma na ye de hu ewura acting mo ba me na acting no nheda nya de a manage ho but na ye music
no
any football and na me pe
so
me can say one day I will break through from music and I say football but along the line me could see a movie editing then nipa me no call national theater no lord or no your editor so see editing no upon who buy and also be on a juma and no farm or try editing free.
Oh, okay.
Because no also your music.
Okay.
Meaning your music or training me power church me near ma any super because that time and so no yati group I was Sukura which is called musical ambassadors.
Oh, Sukura.
I was Sukura.
Okay.
I did not squad wumpa.
Okay.
The late terrible Chaka.
Oh, really?
No.
Oh, okay.
Dunga. JD a obo Alampine.
Okay.
No nso wom.
Okay.
FBS.
Oh, okay.
No more.
So mo Sukura boys ni bia.
Yeah, Sukura. Yeah, say Sukura.
Oh, okay.
Ono artist bia wo ho bia no. First no nso wo ka music and na nyina gina dansoma.
Dansoma, yeah.
Nti ye say Sukura no nso ye so ye be rap live. Artist e wo ho nyina nti no Lord no sua editing no say opo bi ni na ye adwuma. Zack Onhojo me pe wasem pa nti no me pese me kire editing for free.
Okay.
Me di tu mu na Lord nso so e kire me editing no. Me share na since about 3 years. Within a year
editing for 3 years.
No, within a year na me who editing.
Oh, okay.
But me we I have to serve him because one Jimmy ska one hwe nti no me so also me somo.
Okay.
Nti no me serve on 3 years. I be kan one year 4 years but not still na me year nyom no. Nti no true editing on a Jackson.
Okay.
Jackson Kebentum.
All right.
Liberty Films. Pat Thomas. And then Mr. Frank Taylor. Or Fox FM.
Yeah.
Sa papa fo me no and I saw metal or a cameraman.
Okay.
Omo and I catch Jackson say, "Oh Jack, Zack or your editor says, you know, so when your Lord akola no minimum pa or you good editor pa nti no say e be yanka friend no na on be edit movie bi na omo twa movie bi me refi movie na title ba me kai me catch no and Jackson friend me na me buy me buy enso so no me ye adwuma ni wie ya and I say papa me wie me kwa Accra me call ye no movie no ba out no na me refi ba me kai me kan movie no fire most start be say why na edit here no Jackson
say movie one edit some
me na me edit movie.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Juana Jackson some friend me from for different movie say me edit pa me ba me ye wi a na me ko me ye wi a na me ko ti ape na adwuma ne e ba to me ba edit Liberty movie Evil Soul,
okay,
which is 2011.
Yeah.
Me edit movie ni wi and trust me it's a movie ni nya award.
Oh, okay.
Me best film editor. My name is cousin ba na edit here Abbas.
Okay.
Ya best film editor wo Kumasi na Jackson. And Frank Taylor, Pat Thomas, ni Liberty say, "Masa, they say adwuma na e be gina Kumasi, e be gina Oso. So why don't you stay here?" Na edit ni jai say oba na okoka na ofa ko no who knows what will happen. And I met so meti omokasa na metina Liberty fie ho. Me free ho kotina Pat Thomas fie, me free ho kotina ahenema kokoben, me free ho nso so na me betina Jackson Kebentum ho for recruit. You know, from there no na Jackson so e ma me roll e wo move him.
Oh, okay.
To Jackson okay. Now me ti o edit ya no from me Zack betwa scene one scene ma me. Jackson said Jack me dey movie dey me mpo. Me dey na nyom nti no say me wie bi a movie na soundtrack na me compose am obi na wato. Me dey say na me music. No. Every musician is an artist or an actor. And you can act because we to me call set so we go try video. You can say act obey then. Obey act.
Yeah.
And then come do it. And one say about chiro, some may direct you now yeah. Also so no me nyanenti o experience what act was stage is open. And I say yes that is true. Me yeah bra na afa. Ebi what two scene na me kutwa na afa. Na man for start boy we oya deal.
Yeah.
Guy we oya deal.
Yeah.
Who is he? Sana Jackson me one big role or one movie which is called Love and Bullet.
Love and Bullet. Yeah, I think it's I watched that movie.
That movie,
yeah,
no?
Very nice.
And them a lamb line, them pa in acting. Along the line, no, Kojo Nkansah boom. And you know, from movie, no, from music, no, now famous shift to movie.
There's a movie industry.
Okay. The makers of movie industry, no Jackson Kebentum, they push you.
And so far, movie saying why?
Hey, brah, question here, Aje. So, mama pen, ne paper, na start.
Oh, okay. But okay, at the end of you say, I do balam light. I mean, so be on say Zack ni movie ben.
David Banefache.
David Diba, okay, and a fache. I think I watched a movie being so now wo Papa Kumasi and some fair guy be na mu repu man.
Yeah, that is evil for evil.
Yeah.
Me
feeling Papa.
Wow.
It was a nice movie.
Evil for evil.
All right. You be san ba yenko na yenko jenkrato. You be san ba say ye ba ye den komo hwehwe ne be san aba beto aso. Welcome back. We are still on EnterChat and my name is Zack GH. ena AD enkomo wakyere na se kakra kon fa so a obewura the entertainment industry so started as a rapper ena odebe into acting me pese me ko na me ko busa na asem we say no acting no wajaya na because me say ode new song bi aba what title enwom no quick to judge na quick to judge no kra no dey this anwom we eba yenko Zack nche yen sanko din komo biom Zack
minua
akwaba biom
me josu
they say acting no me say movie industry na asay no ntina say wajaya acting no focus on the music side na.
Oh, music side na there na me din kan na ya there ewo me mu dada.
Okay.
Na acting na me enjoy na wo kan asem bi say movie industry no asay me to me no and say
na say mu ntwase ni yento musini no aba form
yeah aba
na
form
na ntina ma na aba form
de bia me kasa asem we say unity.
Oh, okay.
Any ho Ghana high entertainment industry no unity enim.
Said adwuma ye den kan fa unity ho because me nyam sika na me yam adwuma unity den kan say
oko abrochira that is how it is.
Oh, okay.
Oko Nigeria here that is how they are.
Okay.
They love one another.
Okay.
Nigeria need do and yonko Nigeria need artists no dey although and some wo but 80% no they are one. Okay. But hano antisa unity ni ho. Me nkasa moving kwa music everywhere.
Yeah.
Unuan nyum no kra hate no kra no obi tie chire ni bre.
Oh, okay.
What you say me say movie industry no and you say asay but above form. And I mean say mpanimfo na edi enimu no trust me say omo toto niema pa. Because me bubodi am mpanimfo no air fight pa very soon. We say very soon.
Yeah, sure.
Yes, very soon. Okay. Ghana movie making no ebe pan into mapa efra. But and you say major.
But on say unity side no na de bia na woka. Be o tie other industry players na. Me nti so bia ka unity asem da. De bia o say TV series foreign ones na doom so any and but na also unity.
I said this some time ago. I can say omo koye demonstration me can we radio so like but omo je manusi bone say makoka say demonstration no enye necessary.
Oh, sir.
Ma mpenimfo no afra me. Ma me ka kire omo say nka omo mpe audio no omo ntie asem a me ka. What you say but later so omo tie ye ehun say man ka bone. But what they said and they say now no Ghana for etie me omo nem me ye Kojo manager me say artist me kasa omo tie nti sa asem na me ko kan na affect so many people they don't want to go to the demonstration so I should go back. Now me withdraw my statement. Okay. Na omunya crowd no. Okay. But I did. I did because of me penning for. Because omunni ho aye ni ho. Yeah. Until I did for them. But what I said and they said my blame TV stations no. Because what's in the TV station? Or yeah dear the TV station obenya viewers. Yeah. What's in the
because obi was strategy or the
yes, stations ni bebre wo ho.
Yeah.
UTV buy no person obey number 1. Adien kwan no be pass obey number 1. Yeah. And no fast series in the buy. I see ye did Marie Cruz ye did no BSum. Adom ni other stations no tina say. You say say UTV abey number 1. Omaji bibia yen so adien ye be ye betumi akanta. And omo kofa kunkum bag ya no mo di twi eto ase. And omo so take it over. Now, yen as actors and actresses and producers omo compete omo ho. How are we going to compete them?
That's the problem. And who know no Zack?
Because obi be any business or obi to compete someone to get money.
That is it.
And how are we also going to compete them? Yen for strategy be and pamra. Okay. But for me, I think the demonstration is not necessary because they be unto many UTV entry unto many adom entry and you know which are ye movie na ye de be call mbebo advert amaye yeah e bi kura de omo movie call home ye yeah so why are we going to do demonstration into any necessary but for me no I mean me say mpenimfo ni bi nso tie na asopam asa no ne Zack ka na ye no kre also ye tena se strategize what I said and I said unity no any ho and that is killing us. Okay. Yeah. We should come under one umbrella. Yan no ye ho. Nenti twetwa na emmoa ye. Asunu fear wo free and if sunu fear be free. Yeah. But in all no, I will say you support each other. And the midday piano, I fight for unity. Say a bear back. May fight till my last breath. Said the bear affecting Chrimano. Both in music and in movies. I will always say this, that we have to be united. We can never be like them.
Because mu united and a decision be bar collectively no mu nyina mu timi come ho na afa na we ye ne de na we ye ne de
but then nkosi aga jano we obi kura bia papa je kura kominua ho ko bi say wonim Zack wonim ne sen obede se wa kire aso onim na atifie aso onim na da sorry but no e no nkire say movie no me de ato nchen but makuma so ade no na ye movie music and a movie so Jamie fell so. That is why I'm in person me done mechi. I'm a movie. But music I love.
Not music no. Beginning ka o fa ka be ye din ama o.
Be ye din.
Movie na more.
Me release album that way back in Accra but amfa. Okay. Me the menyo ko to Friend Prince. Producer me the ko to nenim. Menyo di be 5 years with.
Really?
Without bringing it out. Like to push I shall say anything. And from there, no me buy na Jackson, me kasa me boss me kasa say even Abia Zack, me push you afa movie no, obetumi afa ho asan be see music ni mu. Because ni nyina entertainment.
And happens
so near Jackson can happen. Asan de me acquire be see music no, which I love. That is why I love music. And I made it for about my title no Quick to Judge. Sure.
Before say you be back Quick to Judge. So mommy one freestyle be room. And now for yendi and you want home come on. To judge.
Okay. My mom second rap. Me can be message. If you want to go fast, you go alone. If you want to go far, you go with someone. Itakula kajiso ron Allah. Nipa nyadwen sachira enyem paibo. My infanto so a man in your ho. Be a hero of your own story. My brother Harris and my former what the sorry and talk for my yes sorry so ubompa ya sorry.
Zack, Quick to Judge.
Yeah.
You say a nyumbia. Among folk can say obo edi desi obi ana obo edi eyi among for adwene every bibi so dey na ma ocho da nyom quick to judge no motivation here dey
motivation no it started last year my catch was nyom we menya no dream nyom no dream
oh okay
the hook no people are quick to judge and not quick to beg it's only God that know best eba me so dream last year Encanta nema bebre e wa Ghana ha.
Okay.
Both Boss Nation with Kojo Nkansah me na top K a whole lot of people in Boss Nation. Amam for kan ye yenka. No te ya ntini okọ kan ye hu asechire.
Okay.
Obi to me di matema se oneme nete. Ba no nemi o hia me krada. Menua. Lady ba ko krada ye. Bra, oje video. E di matemwa te se nia. Mene no kra no aye bibi pen
sir no oye fan na
I don't know her me nimu no obi na dey send me because na me nko social media because na nsam no was too much na eye me ya bra me da me pass to say me bo mani ana me su
all because of Boss Nation
any Kojo ne patapan and somewhere cause but it was showbiz
Muko wia patapan nyum no
and you say you wia na nyuma out today how can you steal it what you say
okay
but na your showbiz nipa anti ase but it be so far personal bra e be di matem at the from ebusuafo
na onye sure say be obi hu hin kra nti na ma ye be di what
yes and also ho nti na make say your showbiz
okay
nti no ebi kra sam ebusuafo and I was lying on my bed na me su but in isu no drop here no na me hwe soro na make say rade my ministry any tears of joy and mommy one day
okay
and then omo judge me ni nyina no put them in shame let them realize no one can say God make us God forgive them for they don't know what they are doing by a showbiz
okay
opeso ogidin dey definitely e be kan wasem menua me to ho na me so die say me gina big platform so
in a dream oh okay
me to nyum no kra me nim say a dream na me gina so na obia everybody was singing the song people are quick to judge and me perform no kra na me am isu
usu
ana me say nyame me dawase so one ma me die so abam bra sa na ye die me sorry ye na ye die into there's music quick to judge no me nyan wo die yeah nyame na de chair me
oh okay
I will say that
okay na say rumor na eba ne nsema nkofo kan intino and I also release this song quick to judge.
People are quick to judge, but we are not quick to beg.
They are quick to judge,
but they are not quick to beg.
Oh, okay.
It's only God that knows best.
And if you want to go far, go with someone.
Yes, but if you want to go fast, you go alone.
All right, my uncle, share quick to judge. Zack GH, new video, new bar, yedem komono, esan ever to us.
It's Boss Nation music.
Quick to judge.
Every story has a two sides.
People are quick to judge.
One love. Zack. What's it?
Let's go. Disappear on the people are quick to judge and not quick to beg. It's only God that knows best. People are quick to judge and not quick to beg. It's only God that knows best. People are quick to judge and not quick to beg. It's only God that knows best. People are quick to judge and not quick to beg. It's only God that knows best.
When you meant for evil, God has stand for good. You can be my classmate, but not my grace mates. Let's match boot for boot and see who is who. Share the banye, so to a minima, see me. Hurry for one Sasha, what the end is signing a bombay and the BM account. Open many bras set to within, so NC. Bibi Bessia, Bibi Tina Minty. Judge me not, it makes me strong. Enemies are not God, my past is gone. Judge me not, it makes me strong. Enemies are not God, my past is gone.
People are quick to judge and not quick to beg. It's only God that knows best. People are quick to judge and not quick to beg. It's only God that knows best. People are quick to judge and not quick to beg. It's only God that knows best. People are quick to judge and not quick to beg. It's only God that knows best.
If you want to go fast, you go alone. If you want to go far, you go with someone. It's a good luck, I just Allah. Nani panyadin satira enya Bible. My infanto so I'm be a hero of your own story. My brother Harris and my former with your sorry, so out for my sorry. Vampire pass sorry for Okaraba for it. Mammy do future one is a one ya tree, no fear, if men go be a be. Judge me not, it makes me strong. Enemies are not God, my past is gone.
People are quick to judge and not quick to beg. It's only God that knows best. People are quick to judge and not quick to beg.
That was a powerful video with an attitude. Quick to judge, very nice video, and I love the message in that song. Quick to judge. Zack, nice video.
Thank you.
Video no way about say.
Video ne de meka say no manager ne na etua bibia nti
no mo channel Dubai na say.
But you Ghana here.
But as a location here, nice,
very powerful. Location Kumasi.
Oh,
Ofreju so na wo kwa Accra. Kumasi baby a omoji first to no.
Oh, okay.
There is tourist attraction you be Bobri Forest.
Yeah,
that is the name of the forest. A very nice place, trust me.
And what should be
I think very nice place. You will love it when you go there.
Yeah.
So I want to make a video.
Quick to judge.
Yeah.
Now, Zack. Say now we can say amount for obitime video no about do attempt obitime video no about do attempt what exactly happened
near see you know patapa ne management ne misunderstanding na buy entem but echi no ni nyina echi no me what I was saying is baby em no we nipa you have to learn how to say sorry and the me buy out. But Mamba publicly, I'm sorry. But with Patapa management, you know, we said sorry to each other. Godfred Frame, send him a message.
Debentina issue ni by me who the corporate ya trigger that issue na cover controversies ni na buy.
Okay, I would say, sir, we wanted to do a collabo with Patapa because
Patapa ya collaboration.
Okay. Na Kojo loved the song. One corner.
Kojo Nkansah Lilwin.
No open one corner. No.
Okay.
No open any day. Trust me, say one corner start here. No krana Kojo uniha no America. So buy any yakofa no. Na yakoye Jimmy promotion on it top K nyum no. And you know, on Adom FM no Kojo started doing one corner. And we here na make us say Kojo, what is one corner? We are here to promote Jimmy. Now one corner here not say more Ghana ha mountain yeko. I say then they don't say nyum but onim nipa boy one corner. And you check it on YouTube no. Na funny videos. I don't say nyum ne de. But onim nipa boy. Oh kind of one am say okay. Anya hwe yem fanto nche ne yem promote yem nyum Jimmy no because I know na ye de aba. Na echire no yen hwe. And in the there no there is a guy owa adoma say no nim patapa.
Okay.
When you know nim patapa. nti ewie ya na oba ye na approach me ne Kojo say oh onim patapa but omo no omo program wo Swedro boy ne ye Swedro boy nti omo koye program wo Swedro na obe perform was here and from there no enyom no efa because enyom na fa wo Swedro na Kojo say oh okay and I say ne obetwe na aba because Kojo aka ho asem say enyom no ye ne de nti obe pese omo be remese enyom no and ye free ho a free ho call no trust me say guy na no nim patapan ni din na ya o memfa ne say wo 2 days later na offer me say oh boy na ba o the first time I me ne patapa e kasa ye me meet no na ma ba Kumasi on phone
okay.
me ne kasa through your phone
okay oh guy no phone
so guy no phone
okay
that was the first time I spoke to patapa and obo ni dem patapa ka say oh boss Matilde ba me hu da nya me nhira o say mo adwen me ho so also one wo artist mo pese mo be bibi say emma no odaya sepa nya me nhira mo till later ena na ya o san frame me say patapa say onya ye number me ni Kojo to on fama na me ka kire na ya say ena fama me friend no
okay
and that was where I called patapa
okay.
But trust me, showbiz they fabricated some of the story, but which we knew about it by showbiz. And anyamencha de abwa, ema patapanso abalam But always, you know, me can say if upeso ukreti controversy, always emphasize on positive controversy. Trust me, my was system. But always, you know, emphasize on negative. Ubonso start here negative, negative. Na de woko from. But when you strike on positive news, positive things, trust me, they be na woko soro. They are bolding. But all the same, you know, maybe by out Ghanaians say we are sorry, baby. I young ye no ya dear my ashe your lovely fans, you know. All I will say is say, may you sorry. We are human. To err is human. To forgive is divine. And to the meme patcho say, Ghana form fan chair. When him so more pay asem. And I mistake. But
because I you know, I didn't say me baby. I'm on for cassette. I'm baby. Some way nibre for. Baby. Na Lewini nibre.
What you say?
Kawenye chi patapa. You want to come here and
there. But I make us no umunim. Later, I don't know who Stone Boy shows so na Kojone patapa. That is showbiz for you. Show and business. And you know that is what. But I mean, say gradually, you know, nipa beba betiasie.
Okay.
But what I would say is say sorry. That was then. And you know, quick to judge. You know, ni nyina kan ho na the song came.
But Zack, where is Kojo Nkansah Lilwin?
Kojo Nkansah ewo ho.
Oh he?
Oh Kumasi.
Like, oh Kumasi what tenenka?
Me nua make us me year fasting me ntwantro. But say me artist na nka che.
Oti Kojo Nkansah Lilwin nka che. As a manager. Na oni oda so ni ye adwuma amini kan busa oda so ni Kojo ye adwuma.
For now there is nothing like that.
Oh oni Kojo Nkansah Lilwin enye adwuma like mame
say for now
aha no say me ye very very emotional
me na make us
because minim adwuma wa ye
minim
Zack minim adwuma wa ye minim bra wa bre
minim
e wo Kojo Nkansah Lilwin ye nyina ye ni bi at a point in time na Kumasi those days like Kenya Ochiame Kwame no Kewo Obinfu Jehovah Swazbi na dia bebre no omo na ekuta Kumasi do baby no Kumasi tiko nanka boss nation na mo ye baby afedi eti ya ne say obi ate ne ho obi ate ho Zack osi Kojo Nkansah Lilwin oni ne nya adwuma bio
me say for now until make us me
fast for now Papa J
no for now na make us say me fasting me person me twantro and you know adding say my grant interview okra can say bra wa bre what you say na me person my grant interview because of fasting na me you know and then maybe one say we do wani hu we do wasote we do wano eka na me ka say me person me twantro for now e bi na me ka say Kojo afra me say one me nya adwuma bi which is never true a lie on frame phone so kan
but yes we afa new manager one nam
yes say menso mate Sean no kra de no de no kra de e ba kope Sean Kingston or de abon ho asafo hene e ka kira manfo e bi kra frame say woni Kojo eja adwuma na because Sean say on na manage no o kan
ye say e bia na Kojo so na man that authority they say no me Zack na nti bi na wo ye me manager
ka kum ye gini kwaku enum nti no e bia me pese oba invite Kojo na we bisa no
na Zack wa wo hwe de ekoya nye me na o say me ka kire wa no so hu say ade no be bi eko no
enti na me ka say for now what ne ho na me nso me na me we for now Wanu who say only Lilwin and Auntie Wanu. No, never. Me know me hoda. ye nipa o unua na betia wo na so unua nso na be ye obone but me know me who not a bit. I love Kojo like my own. I love Kojo. And you know, me can be say Muslim. Ya kasa pepeni a ebi ntia say pepeni means pepper for.
Okay.
Ya say teni ya yentafo.
Okay.
So pepeni kasa odo from the heart.
Okay.
From deep down obetumi ekunu ho ama. But say wo ye na sesa odo no nso free ho. That is all. That is one thing about we Muslim. Ya do ye nuanom. But we ye na sesa odo no nso free ho is gone.
Yeah.
What's in the mention? Until make us for now. Me pese me transfer for now. Me and Kojo run Wizzy Empire. And I mentioned me Boss Nation. And a Boss Nation management, you know, a years was say now na yakase ye pushy artists. Why na wo face na ye be to me then a pushy Boss Nation a Zack.
Obi aso nim se na ye Lilwin.
Eye Kojo. Until I make us what no ho say no or ye Wizzy Empire.
Say o tin ho ne papam one mo tena as mutual agreement. Say this time no
one Boss Nation team ni nyina antena say no credit e ba ko pe. You have a meeting or frame me betena meeting mu. And o kan o beka no say no a ete the record label which is Wizzy Empire.
So o dwane no okọ
until no na wa kan no.
Zack only Lilwin your contract
e fa
only ni je say bia as a manager only artist now only ni your contract be a bit na was nke binding no say wakọ akọkọti Wizzy Empire say ni kwan say nke yes and am your contract be na wo mu say also okọ no
when we started me kai say maka somewhere we radio so we be say me say contract wo many Kojo ye start here and there was a contract
paper contract and I say verbal
us when we started Jackson came into me witness
paper da ho
menua
I think say we breach
me ntwa won tro and a contract no we signed it for 3 years.
Oh really?
We signed it yesterday and it was 3 years.
Yeah, must sign contract.
Kojo eba lam line mo make say 2012. But 2010 no wo ho no hit yes gidi.
Yeah.
But na Kojo wo ho 2009 na Kojo wo ho na me na otwa etwa Messi ase edu movie sika kasa me na me ya dete ye. Na Lilwin wo ho o play role Pa Thomas me nkumebusia Odifo Moses ni nyina na wo ho. But movie shooting the fire Azonto Ghost.
Yeah, Azonto Ghost.
And shooting. That is where everything started. But sometimes ni na me kura Kojo ne yensan hwe. Ne yensan hwe. Na ye wo ho me ne Jackson ke bentu man na ye pushy Kojo. And you know take it na Jackson. E ka say no Kojo, we need the manager. We need the obi a obeye bibia say.
Okay, that time the whole shana say movie boom.
Na ye move boom.
Na unya ni manager.
Na me start say me managing. No kwa dey e ba ko pe. Na me start say me managing. Nti Azonto Ghost ni shoot here na Jackson ka kire no. So we need the manager. Just say there ya papa pedi, ya bra pedi, ja ko wo manager no. So you need something like that.
Okay.
Nti no media messages Zack amount. And no Kojo nso ka say no nso prefer Zack because Zack aboa me. One Zack nyina mo aboa me nti no because you fighting ma Kojo say amount for managing. Nti no wa kan cry that. What you think from then we signed a 3 years contract which every month be ana Kojo to America. That is the secret I'm saying.
No, to
America. Oh no, come on. It's meant to me.
Oh, but I say
but not every month na Kojo to America.
The last time we talk dabe.
That 3 years ni nyina uti America.
The last time I Jessica as a coach free Kojo nsem obehwe I did be 3 months and 1 year and 2 days and 2 weeks.
The last time I meji aketua wo Kojo nsem I think say your contract with Adam. I don't think
okay.
Say omo ntua ni nyina mbom. Omo tua every 3 months because of your contract. And then the last time I meji here that time no omo omo I think second payment.
And now OGB. And all signs our contract now who mo be. What signs will be?
Signs will be. Kojo contract be a.
Na say obi asem mo je e be wasa kwaji bi o.
No.
On GB.
Kojo no. Yes sir.
Zack, my own maybe you.
No, I don't make a choice. Into make us me fasting. Into the main challenge.
Into me so here on this time.
No, on kwaji.
Me person be try to be
because BBM no me kura na me kwaji.
Okay.
Me na me kwaji.
Yes, so na me kwaji.
Me na me kwaji enyo no.
Obeti asese kwa na kwaji.
Onim kura ma na frɛ wa frɛ me wo ho trust me ofrɛ me kura na me ntumi ne na nkasa me message ne call. Enti ofrɛ top K and the scene so enti me ka kire top say me ye fasting me die man sorrentum.
Okay.
It's around much, yeah, so no matter.
Mamma, you say, what can baby say? Say, could you catch us on where Jaya Jumaya? Secret be honoma, ube reviewing na I'm an animal guase.
Eh, Menyas uncle phony bill.
Sir,
Oh, Debbie, Minia. Obi can send you so omo old fra ushia omono. Omoana wusania, ushiomo. Menyas uncle for na, Ninu Yetiana na so are no cotna and we good anymore.
And that's also good animals or baby.
One say, Tama, man for Dimatemno, Mugum anymore, second and can own some about out. I never came out. And never be what may I yame. I don't listen to negative stories. Always me focus a comenim. And me bra penny to me for say we nipa or why am fat was pemobo or the pemoboa uko wechi, but for pim which in a coenim. For pim which in a coenim.
It's a Udi Kojo, someone who knows if you to talk us. I'm a never be brave. Udin, then when you're free. Working with Kojo Nkansah Lilwin, working with him.
I am mere misika ye, Juma mena ye, I will cheer me car, media ye. What am I saying? A Juma my yen will cheer me car, and a media ye me a property. But to say, Abia, all can say, Bia, like only Kojo Nancy, ye no, or no Philip, I ye bibia media no.
Jesus Christ. I
don't know the make a choice, Debbie. But 7 year Juma on fair misika near, Uchiameka. Akutua ba say bia ya sign contract enya contract or the percentage emma me ya ko show or the percentage emma me and out of my own sweat and my own money he pays me no and no one mention me the
on top boxer short singlet into shoe into shirt
what atade ama me da what shoe ache me da oh yeah me kai kojo tu kwan bia no about atade be che
what talk ache da
ultimate car no.
No. Baza kwa bre.
No.
Ejuma odi wa yama Kojo Nkansah Lilwin no. O si dan kwa che wanka onye hwe.
Oh, as times goes on, obi enim nipa trima.
This time when time goes on be Zack.
Oh no, who knows?
Say maybe no. Obi wa jaya ejuma ye. Oni wonya ejuma bi.
Wo say.
Me na me kasa asem ne che we.
Papa J.
Oni wa jaya ejuma.
Okay, me on friend men cancer. And I mention no trust me say now I'm on my own. With my team, the support of my team, I'm on my own. And I say, when you are on the path to success, don't stop and pick pebbles.
Okay.
What you
say?
No. No. I no can make a choice.
Yeah.
What you say?
But I like the way you
chasing my beautiful dream ahead of me.
Okay.
Kojo Nkansah nim say me ni share no no kra kan wo air that say me manager me share no ye nyom. Na ya dia me ye. And now for now I'm chasing that my beautiful dream.
Okay.
For now, until I make us for now, Kojo mfa phone in friend, me so me mfa phone in friend. The last time I menya na nkra no efa na na top case so, and e ba me so me so me den nkra pa na so the man say, me ya fasting echiri niema bi.
Yeah.
Echiri niema bebre.
Yeah.
Say bia woni wonu akra be kasa na obu be.
Na na mpesa woni be kasa because so kasa bu be funtia.
That is it.
Me say there is a problem.
No, there is a problem. There is a problem, but me catch Nana Top K, baby witness. There is a problem.
Friend
which we will sit down and talk. Yes, and I make us say, you fasting.
Oh, okay.
What you say? Mean to me, nko. Ebi ana wako kan bibi ana me ma ko kan bibi ebufu so. Which must say me fasting. And in the name of Bisano, you don't talk.
Okay.
You keep mute. Me say you fasting. No, I you so aka 2 weeks. Na you
okay.
What you say? Yeah, I want the mono na wakan. I want me mono. Men so me can't.
And you say bia more resolve issues. Obe pesa obe sani Kojo asa twaso. Must sign another contract as I could be man.
For now, no ye share dear me catch Kojo. My peace of mind.
Which I
want to move on.
They say unini nanti biom enye juma biom.
I'm not going back in managing artists biom.
This time obe say wa settle wa brand.
Me am a brand na me move forward. Now for now no me catch me team ni nyina say for now no am for break run are sending me message they want me to manage them. But I told them for now I'm not into managing anymore.
Okay.
For now me kasa me can wo channel is so EnterChat so. For now no me Zack GH I'm not into management anymore.
Okay.
Me focus on my beautiful dream, which is music, which is what I started since my infancy. That is what I want to do. But for now, no, I'm no more managing.
Okay. Zack, yes, when Kojo Nkansah Lilwin mudi nuro. so we no udi no tu no pa nti wo de nante bebre yes so na de nante ya ma pick man no na mo hye rings bi me
pa cho hwe me ring ya de ne we
normal ring normal ring
I really want to say normal ring
no tu nuro
menua de bia me ka sa asem we me papa e malam
papa e malam
obi ka say
Zack ene so wo de aduro nam
me ba say you see obi ye malam a o ye kyerɛkyerɛfo e sofo
oh okay na say perception na wa bonte no
are different in Muslim no ye ka say obi ye duro wura e bia obi ye konfo a ye ka ne say nipa ne ye meboka
that
means so ye duro wura
na say top k e ye meboka
o ye duro wura
oh okay
me papa ye malam o ye kyerɛkyerɛfo me papa kyerɛ me niema bebre in life
okay
me na me obi a me ngi bibiendi except Allah
okay
me ngi bibiendi but one day me papa kye me tena ase o ka kyerɛ me say me ba we right into entertainment and awudin no e bedru ba bi no hu e be hwete wi ase so wonim say nyame na e bo soro ne asase na me say ane ono na e bo mu spirit ni bibia me say da ane o say what na say bisa ho say e die enti na obo mo I was there just looking at my father and o ka kyerɛ me say respect each and every spirit anyame
boy okay
enti na kwankyerɛ obi ade be ma obi ane ye ba nye ne bone so say ye ne bone so a me ba ne twe ho ba ye ne papa mu a empaibo bi ensin empaibo bi ba ye nyina no ye be kokobu akonta ama Allah enti so obi ma wa kwankyerɛ na o sis ye see ya menua e be boa wa ye yesra ate se de ye mpepefo ye yesra no so we never lack Muslims because he yisra pa me papa de o de kire me no nti me yisra pa me sa de kire Kojo nana top ke nso kire Kojo say eya give because o mamu won shira e chen oje that is why Kojo na ma o chiska but obi be fi say bia wakoye dru
no so na mo chiche ne ama na ye ko orphanage because say akwanche abosom na mo agege ni no na mo tu ne ma mo san kwanche mo fanya
all because of sad ne ma na no mo kan because of nana top ke nti na mo kasa nana top ke mi shia no me na madam for no me na metwen top e ben Kojo ana o shia Kojo no so na nka e company o mo be ye adwuma sachet water and then top K drilling company no ebe joint with Kojo we akwaje land 5 plot of land kese pa say ye ebe ye san land no nso no he na san aton amobi e ma ho kasa na ya de to ho a later different project e wo ho a we see school a very big school what I say na top nya comfort okwa sorry dada obehia Kojo crop pe Kojo asam no di Kojo echia na oni Kojo nyina ko one church enti se ne na akom aba no so a menua na wo beka se anu nti mene ne nyaaka
say no kwa kan bi na onua epam on say say wasi wa
pam between na Kojo ni top ke o mo
kasa mene ne bedin komo
nti oba no we bisa no sa asam no ba me no eno no nkyerɛ se menua no nti na me di nkan ka se unity ehunhia ba because menua no oye nipa se me a wotwa na moja beba wotwa me moja beba obewu me nso mewu enti na no nkyerɛ se me mpo no me nyen nipa me
okay
aye Muslim bia Muslims ye nyenyi mu
okay
enti na me di nkan ka Muslims pa ye nyenyi mu enti so oye konfo no nkyerɛ se oye bronsam menua wan ne bronsam aye me ne wa ye tie
yeah
ya na ya mumro samfo no because can someone man why you hu na matwe me ho afri ni nchen that means say one kasa no you are evil enti me anya ne a wo beka na me tie so ye hwan yo makosra top K pen e woni fie makọ no ho makọ since omo ye bonat na se no kra me ko hobi
ko
support no anu no nkyerɛ sɛ me di eduru anase no obi abewu mini pin kra wo mi widiem
okay
mini pin kra wo mi widiem
okay
but ne ametie ne say me mpese mafun minua nti me papa ka kyerem say follow principle of life
okay
endia dance krumu obi yire enko no ho eni sika ho akyinye onua na kasa sika wo mfa maame a wo wa yima no untua wakana opa jamano na sika nyame ene
endema yeah sika nyame ene endema Zack wakasa meneme angasa my emre because mimi nim no adwuma waye ni Kojo Nkansah Lilwin just wa bre na story say ba esi Lilwin ne Zack say wa fama nja foforo ene obo show kra na Zack ni hobi enso busa Zack bega say watu kwan na Zack say issues wo ho ensem de ebi wo ho pa ensem de ebi wo ho enti obefre no na omatena se ne wo hu de enti a ekọ ne sa na so omahwe se Kojo Nkansah oni ni ba ya adwuma bioma Zack say menka on EnterChat on Nkansah so aka so oni Kojo Nkansah Lilwin enya adwuma biom Zack asama ene wakano we are still on EnterChat ene Zack GH make us a former manager of former manager of Kojo Nkansah Lilwin so your former obodjuma o se Kojo Nkansah Lilwin chene hwe da sisi adan
menga so
o se challenge no ataba challenge ni shirt
papa je dey na o be daka we
o Zack asama ke na shirt there dem na
no make say
shirt there
no Kojo tu kwan na ba bia o to ade bra
yeah customer as shirt
nti so o ka so nche ma de da e bia Kojo aye bibia ma open a ana bia okay ti say obisa me question Kojo atoka ma open me ka che say no
but o say at least ka ben tu
ay oba na we bisa no
so oba na we bisa no
me ka me use
no Zack bia na we ni bibi o ba on ka no kre e bia na we ni bibi ama na ye ni ya na o mpese oba
me say oba ha na we bisa no me unim me say de o kan ye no omo nim say de amete what in a mecha na say enti na bia o kan say Kojo atoka ama me na me kan say de bi on talk ama me
on si fie ma
de bi on si
fie blocks 100 say gina twa bi
so control onye say
comes ka kase ma oda
no aye adwuma ya je hu payment
na ne one ne yere no Patricia case no yeso so na ne hu bi
una bi ba na ne de ya ware mu nsem o
na one mu
me mpacho me aware mu nsem de enye me na me manage
oh okay
na me manage artist side
okay
what you say me ka me use no me na me talk
one out talk no
yeah me na
me boss nation Google chiri nyina na e hwan cars
okode e wo ne car me wo me de Ricky wo ne de na na top K wo ne car Kojo nso so wo ne car what you say yes
one talk cars nyina ma mo we what chama mo
it's a lie no kure na me ka cho it's a lie obi obeka say Kojo cars na ye use de ko ba nyina it's a lie ayi obi aka okode ka ono ane dia okode e ba boss nation na wato ne car dada
okay
okode e ba boss nation na wato ne car dada Ricky be mu no won ne cars dada Ricky no wo cars or cars ba miensa kra really won ne car dada na na top K no won ne car dada Kojo nso won ne car dada enti on talk ma obi a no but say your program ye ba kakra Kojo benya no bia ne payment no oyi kakra ma obi a no ne de sa na ade ne de oya ade jitofuo or make sure so be ma obi a bi ane de me mfansie ntina make say me ye fasting me mpese me control ye ko ba na hu say yes so who cast be 8 na yes so no ye bedru a oyi sika say monje obi amfantofuo ngu ni kem sa de ne de na oye je fato aduane na oye
all right Zack yen share o social media handles say ye pe quick to judge ni bia ye pe bia himfa ni betimi anya bi
okay aye official Zack GH and nyomo ne de me nim site a me money site e wo Ghana bia fa
bi wo so the site bia ye nim bia
okoko obenya quick to judge
okay
me nyum nyina me ne ya pono bobi me ne ono ankasa Kojo anyami ene quick to judge no ni nyina ego
okay your last words to fans and no more share on EnterChat
my last word to the fans Ghanaians America minua like I said in everything no they should give praise and thanks to the Almighty Allah because I nyame and echire nipa na nyame be chire nipa or the fe nipa so enti no so wo ye bibia na wo de asedam nyame a enyi obuafo no ensinchen enti no my first priority aye nyame my second priority aye omo ye adwuma around me omo diska eba me botom my second medom ase aye the beautiful fans out there mona mu kura ya mona mu boye din omo na eso ye mu yetumi be ye stars third is my family the Boss Nation family
okay you can family me because na wa worry na
you're not family the Boss Nation family me to me nyom nsin What you see?
That's good.
They are making me who I am.
Yeah.
And you know, my message is say BBM mono yemfa ahombrase na opese o kontema onko akọ. But so opese do a chire in life oni obi nko na nyame enhira. That's it.
I like that part. Opese onko o content ma onko akọ. Na mo opese o do a chire oni obi enko. We Zack GH in the philosophy. And I like that. Well, yeah, the show ni besia. I think say all you need to know no. Ya busa nsem ni nyina, ya busa nsem ni nyina nsem wa ekoso abonten, wa kire mu aka bibia. Ye de besia na me try say on the next interview no, ye ne nana top K. Ye no so be hia na ya hwe say ne 17. The story continues. Aha EnterChat. Follow me on Instagram. Fresh Boy Papa J on Instagram. Papa JGH and I say Fresh Papa JGH on Facebook. You follow me na nsem nyina you be share biom on EnterChat.